Hi everyone, let's continue to develop browser online game. And it's been 3 months from last video. And in last episode, I started to change design for this game. And I applied some new design for page buildings. Other pages still, oh my God, what's happened? So here is our design, yeah. And I just improve my design for buildings, for content. Yeah, I didn't do panel with fleets and other elements, but yeah, I changed this block. Okay, let's check what we have now. Now I have my selected building here, headquarters. For example, I can't build it because it's we don't have fourth level of this building, yeah. But for example, we can select mine, yeah, and I can improve this building. So I have new design for buttons, yeah. I can press build. I have new design for cancel button. Okay, I add border for selected elements. And so what I need to do right now, I have 3 parameters for buildings. Yeah, I have not parameters, but some resources which I need to create to build building. Yeah, it's money, yeah, gold, yeah, it's people, population, and of course I need to know what time I need to spend to build this building. And this parameter I didn't print, so I need to do it right now. And I will go to my code, yeah, and I need to add new parameter, new variable in building statistics. I will call it time. Yeah, here I need to add new icon, time, and print here time. Print here time. So I need to use my function for converting seconds to convenient time. Yeah. So for example, for 40 seconds, it will print 0040. And here I need to add this time. So my TypeScript says me that I don't have property time. And now I think that I will see time, how much time I need to wait. So now it works correctly, I think, yeah? Yeah, everything works. Okay, so it's a short video, yeah? In the next video, I will continue to implement new design for other pages. And yeah, and now I have problems here. I don't know why, so I need to fix it too as soon as possible, I think. So, and I will do it in the next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, press like button, leave a comment if you have something to say, and see you in the next video. Bye.